It's super easy! Hello everyone! Welcome back to Learn English with Lina. In this video, we'll learn 5 super easy daily phrases that everyone uses. These are essential expressions you can use right away to sound more natural. We'll explore what they mean, how to use them, and see them in simple, everyday situations. Let's start. Our first phrase is good to see you. This is a friendly greeting you use when you meet someone you already know, like a friend or a family member. It's warmer than just hello, especially if you haven't seen them for a while. Good to see you. Good to see you. Repeat after me. Good to see you. Hey Tom, good to see you.
Good to see you too, Lina.
Oh, Sarah, good to see you here.
You too, Lina. What a surprise.
See? Simple and friendly. Next up, how's it going? This is another casual way to ask, how are you? Or, what's up? You can use it with friends, colleagues, or anyone you know well. It's very common. How's it going? How's it going? Try saying, how's it going? Hey Sarah, how's it going?
Not bad. Just busy with work. You?
I'm doing well, thanks. Easy, right? Our third phrase is, I'm just chilling. This means you're relaxing, not doing anything too strenuous or important. It's perfect for a relaxed day at home or just hanging out. I'm just chilling. I'm just chilling. Repeat after me. I'm just chilling. What are you up to? I'm just chilling at home today, watching a movie. Sounds nice? Very useful for your lazy days. Next phrase, sounds good. This is a quick and common way to say okay, that's a good idea, or I agree. You can use it when someone makes a suggestion or a plan. Sounds good. Sounds good. Try saying sounds good. Let's meet at the cafe at 3 p.m. Sounds good. See you then. Great. Simple and effective. Our final phrase for today. I'm heading out. This means you are leaving a place. You can use it when you're about to leave your home, office, or any location. I'm heading out. I'm heading out. Repeat after me, I'm heading out. Where are you going? I'm heading out to grab some coffee. See you later.
Okay, I'm heading out now. See you tomorrow. Bye, Lina.
All right, let's quickly review the 5 phrases we learned today. Good to see you. How's it going? I'm just chilling. Sounds good. I'm heading out. Now it's your turn. Try to use one of today's phrases in your own sentence. Share it in the comments below. Practice makes perfect. Keep practicing these phrases in your daily life. You'll sound more natural in no time. Thank you for learning English with me today. I hope these phrases help you sound more natural. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe for more easy English lessons. See you in the next video.